Development, Bangladesh Porjoton Corporation, and other governmental departments and authorities, as well as generous individuals for their wholehearted support. Distinguished audience, the IPU is the focal point for global parliamentary discourse on peace, development, and cooperation among peoples, and for the protection of representative democracy. Bangladesh has been honored to be elected as the president of the IPU. Our parliament has also been pleased to host the 136th Assembly of the Union. The Assembly centered on the theme redressing inequalities, delivering on dignity and well-being for all. BARD considers the theme of the Assembly as quite pertinent to its own frame of reference, which reckons a positive correlation between rural poverty and deprivation. We note that decisive actions have been proposed at the Assembly, particularly to end economic, political, and social inequality. The Assembly concentrated on the impact of inequality on the poor, women, and vulnerable groups. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a place of profound legacy. BARD is located right beside the historic relic of Buddhist era, 7th century seat of learning. Although vestige of this glorious past has long gone out of our memory, we have inherited the immediate legacy of Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan, a forerunner in rural development in our country and in our part of the world. Dr. Khan was actually a globally known social scientist and philosopher. He was appointed as the chief executive, the then director of BARD in 1959. Dr. Khan and a group of talented professionals started rural development activities aiming at poverty reduction and improving livelihoods of rural population in the early 60s. They could evolve and introduce the internationally renowned Kumilla model for rural development. Kumilla model for rural development provided a basis for legal, institutional, and programmatic changes in the rural milieu. Two-tier cooperatives combining primary and apex cooperatives, countrywide irrigation and agricultural development program for enhancing productivity, rural works program, decentralized structure for training and development at the sub-district level at the offshoots of Kumilla model. Dr. Khan and his colleagues at BARD had actually visualized sustainable development issues decades ago, then the world community reinforces it through SDGs in 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, IPU encourages principles of democracy, human rights, and dignity and good governance as the basic foundation for progress and prosperity. Similarly, BARD inherits the democratic spirit and tradition that have been practiced in the cooperative since their inception. They exercise democracy in electing management committees as well as running different development programs where they can assert their democratic rights meaningfully. Respected delegates, I strongly believe that addressing rural poverty can be considered as a global priority, and the IPU delegates can assume a pivotal role to pursue the action agenda. IPU is actually the biggest platform for minimizing poverty gaps and the overall deprivation. Openness, people's participation and democratic process at the grassroots for planning and implementing development work only can ensure sustainability of the initiatives. We are still following the rudiments of involving all stakeholders in the undertaking development initiatives, which Dr. Khan underscored long time ago. Ladies and gentlemen, respected Senior Secretary, Parliament Secretariat, dignitaries, and my dear colleagues, let us forge our ties for addressing global poverty and hunger by 2030. We strongly believe that better governance will enable us to take charge of sustainable development, which is possible only through putting people in the driving seat of their own development initiatives. Distinguished audience, our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, cherished Bangladesh in his dreams, ideas, prayers, and contemplations. He wanted to enliven rural Bangladesh with the touchstone of cooperation. His beloved daughter, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, is eager to eliminate hunger and poverty from rural Bangladesh and bring happiness to people in distress by following the path of our father of the nation. She wants to lead us to a domain of global peace and prosperity where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, and where knowledge leads to ever-widening thought and action. I thank you very much. I thank you all.